Hi, all of you. See, we are using assignments in Microsoft Teams, but what is the problem we are facing is we are allowing late turn-ins for the children. That means the student can submit their assignments after the due date also. So, at a later date, when we see that we don't know when the student has submitted, and we will be in a state of confusion whether it is corrected or not, whether we need to return it or not, everything will be confusion. So to avoid this confusion, what we need to do is we need to set a time frame. That means we need to lock the assignment of the due date so that the student cannot submit after the due date. For this, what we need to do is while creating the assignment itself, you need to take an extra step. You need to add an extra step to creation of assignments for this. Like suppose creating like a quiz or assignment, whatever the thing may be. Suppose I am selecting assignment here, everything you know here, the title, you need to enter the title, instructions and the points, and you need to add the resources. If you want to add the rubrics also, you can add. Suppose while posting, before posting the assignments, an option will be shown here: assignment will post immediately. That means assignments will post to the channel immediately after assigning them, with late turn-ins allowed. That means student can turn in late also. So if there is an option for turning late also, there is no need of giving due date. So for to uh, just to get rid of this, what we will do is we will go to the select the edit assignment here, and here you will be shown a another pop-up where it will be shown that, but that means we are making the assignment to be posted at a later. Suppose we are giving the assignment now, we are selecting the time and date when the assignment will be posted. Suppose today is 19th of September. Anyhow, today is, even though it is 19th, it will be shown here by default the next date. See here, it is showing as 20th of September. So first you need to select like this here, and instead of 20th, we need to select 19th. Let us say that every assignment will be posted in the channel at 5 p.m. every day, and it will be locked or closed by 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. the next day. So assuming that the assignment is will close at 6 p.m. the next day, yes, I am showing you this video. The posting time is every day at 5 p.m. after the once the classes are completed. The assignments will be posted at 5 p.m. every day. See here, I am selecting at 5 p.m. and due date is, so today is 19th. The next day is September 20. Actually, by default, it will be shown as 11:59 p.m. and we'll change it as 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. Whatever the case may be, 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. The assignment will be closed. So for this, you need to select as close date. So the due date and close date, it is September 20th, the next day. The time is 6 p.m. See here, assignment will post on Saturday. Suppose you give the you assign the exam for at 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. or 12 p.m. whatever the case may be. The assignment will be posted in the channel only at 5 p.m. Suppose you are assigning the morning in the you are assigning this assignment in the morning session also. So you can select it as suppose 12 p.m. You can select it as 12 p.m. By 12 p.m. the assignment will be posted, or whatever the time may be, whatever the time you want to you select for posting the assignment, that is not an issue. Anyhow, that will be closed by the next day morning 6 p.m. So assignment will post on Saturday, September 19th at 5 p.m. Suppose, because that's why I'm selected 5 p.m. here, that's why it's showing as 5 p.m. If you select another time, it definitely it will be showing as on the same time here. And is due on Sunday, September 20 at 6 p.m. That means tomorrow morning by 6 p.m. this assignment will be locked and late turn-ins not allowed. That is, there is no option for the student to submit the assignment lately. He cannot submit it lately after the due time. So you need to select done here. So now it will change it here. See, assignment is scheduled to post on September 19 with late turn-ins not allowed. Late turn-ins not allowed. So this will make sure for the teachers that how many students has submitted. Tomorrow evening, if after 6 p.m. the student opens the teachers opens the assignments. So teachers can see how many of them are viewed, how many of them did not view till now, how many of them turned in. So we can make a follow-up of the students who did not turn in or who did not submit the assignments, who did not view. So this will make sure that the child participates actively in all the assignments, and don't forget to give your feedback for the students after writing the examination. And if possible, I suggest all the teachers to add rubrics for the assignments which they are conducting in a written mode. Thank you all of you.